Hello guys, welcome back to my channel for the series of 365 Prophet Muhammad stories. Today I'm going to read you the first story from the book. So let's get started. The name of the story is Kabah, the center of worship. About 4,000 years ago, the Prophet Ibrahim came to Makkah and settled his family there. His son Ismail grew up and became a great prophet. The children of the Prophet Ismail prospered in Makkah and grew in number. Thanks to the Prophet Ibrahim's prayer for Ismail to have many children and the Zamzam spring to appear, many caravans would stop at Makkah on their way to Syria and Yemen. Makkah was situated midway on the caravan road to and from Syria and Yemen. To help the pilgrims and to look after the various affairs, the Kabah and Makkah. Several offices were set up right from the time when the Kaaba was built. Some of them were as follow: Hijabah, maintenance and keeping the keys of Kaaba; Sikaya, arranging fresh water for pilgrims; Rifadah, providing food for the pilgrims; Nadwa, chairmanship of the meeting held for the affairs of Makkah; Qiyadah, leadership of the Meccan army; Liwa, acting as flag bearer of Makkah during a campaign or battle. Thus, the Kaaba became the central point for pilgrims from all over Arabia. And tomorrow, I'm going to tell you the second story from the book. So don't forget to subscribe. Bye.